Dear students, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, based on the time zone at presently you are staying. First of all, I welcome all of you for our YouTube channel. You know very well, this is Sellomani Krishnamurthy, your information technology teacher, who is sitting in front of. So this is Java video lesson number 22. In this lesson, we are going to study about wrapper classes. You know very well what do you mean by wrapper. Candies are placed within wrapper or candies are enclosed by wrapper. Why? To make wrapper safely. It is packed by wrapper. Am I right? Good. In same way, datas are important. To make sure data safe and secure, the data should be placed within wrapper. So wrapper class are used to wrap the data. That means what? To make safe and secure our data, wrapper classes are used. Fine. So let us proceed. I will share my screen. Then it will be easy for you. I hope my screen is visible to all. This is my PPT. See, Java programming, Java video lesson number 22. Fine. Wrapper classes. Wrapper classes wrap the primitive data types. What are the primitive data types? Very beginning we studied Java supports 8 primitive data types. What are they? Byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, at last boolean. Am I right? Wrapper classes wraps the primitive data types, all primitive data types, into an object of that class. Is it clear? Good. That means each and every individual primitive data type has its own wrapper classes. Okay. When we create an object of wrapper class, it contains a field, and this field we can store primitive data types. We are going to create one object for wrapper class. That object contains one field called as data member. In this data member, we can store primitive data type. That is the meaning. For example, integer wrapper class. See, I is capital letter. That means integer wrapper class hold into value. That means what? Small int means, small I int means that is data type. Capital I integer means that is class. That you must understand. Still confused. Nothing to worry, I will explain. See it here, you know very well, int a equal to 50. What it means? A is a one variable declared under int data type. In that a variable, value 50 is assigned. Am I right? Simple. And int variable is declared and initialized with value 50. Fine, very simple. See the second example, integer b equal to new integer. Please understand, wherever we are using new, that means we are creating new object. Am I right? Whenever we are using new, we are creating new object. In this example 2, integer is a one class. B is a one object which is created under integer class. Okay, that B object has one data member. In this data member, value 50 is assigned. An object of class integer is instantiated and initialized with value 50. Am I right? In example 1, a is a one integer variable, it is assigned with 50. Whereas in example 2, b is a one integer object that has one field. That field is assigned with 50. That is the meaning of these two. Now, what are the wrapper classes available? See it here, all 8 primitive data types has wrapper classes. These all wrapper classes are available under java.lang package. This java.lang package already we studied in previous video lesson, Java video lesson number 21. Okay, so java.lang is a one package. It has so many classes. Out of these classes, it has 8 wrapper classes. Boolean, see underline, capital B. Small Boolean means that is data type. Capital B Boolean means that is wrapper classes. Same way, byte, char, character, int, integer, float, double, long, short. Am I right? Once I repeat the same thing, small letter means that is primitive data type. Capital letter, first letter, capital letter means that is wrapper classes. You must understand. Okay, now let us proceed. What are the methods are available within integer class? We don't have enough time. That is why we can go for at least any one class we can go. So I prefer integer class. Some methods of integer wrapper class as follows. As usual, integer class has so many methods. We are going to study only few. Into value, parseInt, toString. This parseInt already we studied yesterday lesson, in previous class. That is Java video lesson number 21. What is the use of parseInt? Just a recap. Yes, it converts string into integer. Okay. Int value number 1. It allows access to the int value stored in integer object. We are creating one integer object. Am I right? In this case, we are creating one integer object. B is one integer object. Okay, in this integer object, we are storing 50. Then how we can access the value stored in integer object? With the help of int value. Int value is a one method which allows access to the int value held in integer object. See it here, a is our integer variable. Directly we can access, but b is a one object. That object has one field. That field contains number 50. How to access the value? With the help of int value we can access. Am I right? Good. See the second method already we studied, parseInt. Convert string into its integer. See the example within double quotes, that is 345. It is not 345. Double quotes mean that is string. Here integer.parseInt. This parseInt converts 345 as 345. The 345 will be stored into variable called D, comes under integer variable. Am I right? ToString, just opposite of parseInt. From the name itself, we can easily understand. ToString converts integer value into string. ParseInt converts string to integer. ToString converts integer into string. See, in this example, there is no double quotes. So this is not 3456. It should be considered as 3456. 3456, one integer value. ToString converts 3456 as string called 3456. That will be stored into string. Yes. Is it clear? Good. Now we'll do one small program, whatever we studied now. Okay. See it here. Int a equal to 50. That means what? A is a one integer variable that is assigned with 50. Fine. B is a one integer object because we are using new keyword, which is assigned with 50. Fine. I want to add the value stored in variable, the value stored in object. Variable directly we can place int c equal to a. That means 50 plus. But b is a object. B dot into value. This int value returns or allows to access the value stored in the object. A also 50. Here B dot int value also written 50. That means 50 plus 50, 100. 100 will be stored into C. System dot out dot println C. That means 100 is the display. Fine. Again, we are having integer dot parseInt within double quote 345. That already we studied. That is the string 345. It will be converted into 345. That will be stored into D with the help of parseInt. System dot out dot println D. So 345 will be displayed. Here we are having an integer value 3455. This toString of integer class converts 3455 as 3455 as a string that will be stored into ES. Again, system.out.println yes is the 3455. Is it clear? Good. I hope so. So I will demonstrate the same practical in front of you so that it will be easy for you to understand. As usual, I open my Apache NetBeans. Please be patient with me. Low confidence computer, it will take some time. Good. So it's opening. Let us close all project first. Close all project. I want to create new project. Go to file, new project, Java application. Next. If you want to give name, you can give. Otherwise, you can directly go for finish. No problem. Good. Please make sure I delete only comments, nothing else. I deleted only comment. Inside main only I want to write. Since java.lang is a default package, no need to import. Okay. So now I can create program. I want to declare one small variable, integer variable, a equal to 50. Fine. But here I want to create one integer object. Capital I means object. New integer 50. How we are creating book 1 equal to new book. In same way, integer b equal to new integer of 50. Okay, one variable created, one object created. Another variable, the value available in directly can be accessed, but b is your object. To access integer value stored inside object, we need to use into value. Am I right? Then I want to display system.out.println value contained in C. Fine. Okay, let us check, then we can proceed. So my expected output should be 100. Very good. Then I want to convert one string into integer with the help of parseInt. I declare another variable because I want to store one integer variable. Integer is a class. That class has one method parseInt. Okay, here within double quotes, I am giving 3, 4, 5. Whatever placed within double quotes, that should be considered as string. That should be considered as string. That means 345 is a one string. It will be converted into 345 with the help of parseInt. Then it will be stored into D. Again, I want to display the value stored in D. Let us check. Then it should be 345. My expected output should be first 100, then 345. Fine. Then I want to convert one integer into string. So I am string s equal to integer dot toString. ToString is a one method available under integer class. It converts integer value into string because there is no double quote. So it is not 3455. It should be considered 3455. This 3455 will be converted into string called 3455 that will be stored into S. Now I want to display the value or string stored in S. Let us check. I run the program. My expected output should be first 100 and then 345 and then 3455. Is it clear? So integer class has many methods. Out of this we studied into value, parseInt, and then toString. Is it clear? I hope so. Now let us proceed with recap as usual. See it here. Wrapper classes wrap the primitive data types. Very simple. Wrapper classes wrap primitive data types such as int, float, and so on into object of that class. What is the second point? All 8 primitive data types as wrapper classes available in the java.lang package. That means what? All wrapper classes are available under java.lang package. Int value is a one method available under java.lang. It allows access to the int value held in integer object. parseInt converts string into integer value. ToString opposite of parseInt. ToString converts integer value into string value. Very simple. parseInt converts string to integer. ToString converts integer to string. Am I right? Is it clear? Take 1 or 2 minutes, or if you want, pause the video and listen. I hope is it clear to all. Let us go for question bank. So try to answer question number 1. Dash classes wrap. From the name question itself you can understand here wrap is there. Dash classes wrap the primitive data types int, float, and so on into object of that class. Can you tell the answer? Very good. Wrapper classes. Wrapper classes wrap primitive data types. Try to answer the second question. All 8 primitive data types has wrapper classes in the dash package. That means what? Under which package all wrapper classes are available? Very good. Java.util package. Try to answer the third one. Dash allows access to the int value held in integer object. What is the answer? Good. Int value. Int value is a one method. It allows us to access the int value stored in integer object. Try to answer fourth one. Dash is a method to convert string into its integer equivalent. String to integer. What is this? Very good. parseInt. Last one. Try to answer fifth one. Dash converts integer value into string. Integer to string. Very good. ToString. Am I right? Thank you. So today I stop here itself. I hope all of you enjoy this lesson and understand this lesson, today lesson. I hope so. Next lesson, let us study something extra. Until then, thank you students. Have a nice good day. Bye bye. See you.